Okay, hello guys, good evening. For today shooting session, we already have a footage at Tasik Tiga Beradik at area Plentong, Johor. So stay tuned with the video. I will post very shortly. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. Okay, thank you. Okay, ni kawan kita tengah fly drone. Okay, hi.
In the beginning, it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no others, only us. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again.